Morning, my name is Thomas Selman, Product Manager for Cordless with Hilti North America. Really excited to talk about the T60A, our breakthrough innovation on the 36-volt platform. This is Hilti's first cordless SnapBack Max Combihammer, highest performing Combihammer in its class, and you compare it against any corded or cordless solution out in the market. It is a highly versatile tool, so besides drilling, light braking applications such as driving stakes, digging and tamping are really exciting. So make sure to get your hands on this tool and reach out to your account manager.
This is the BNT25 Rebar tire by BN Products USA. This cordless rebar tying tool is lightweight and compact for easy use. The unit can tie up to 2 number 4 rebar and is also perfect for wire mesh. The BNT25 can produce over 2,000 ties on a single charge. The kit comes complete with a sturdy carrying case, 4 spools of wire, 2 rechargeable batteries, a charging unit, and even a pair of wire cutters. Well, that's a look at the BNT25 Rebar tire. For more information,
fuel Hackzall speed, phenomenal.
It seems like the new fuel Hackzall reciprocates a lot faster, cuts a lot faster.
With the fuel Hackzall, you feel almost no vibration at all. It cuts through super smooth with a nice smooth cut. You get the precise cut that you're looking for. It's easy on your arms, your body. And the fuel Hackzall is balanced really well, and it's a lot lighter. And you don't have a cork, so it's a lot easier to maneuver. It's a great tool. The M18 Hackzall, I haven't found a material yet that I haven't been able to cut with it. I've done all sorts of things with it, demo, new construction, it's been working great. Same as the first day that I got it. The fuel Hackzall is extremely good. It's a tool you can rely on. The fuel Hackzall is definitely heavy duty. It's definitely sped up our productivity, and it's a tool that you must have right now.
It's those 3 things. It's speed, it's durability, and it's comfortable to use.
CE Tools is setting the new standard in chalk lines with a SnapBack releasable tip. Whether you're 20 stories up or in your backyard, the SnapBack will make your job easier and more efficient. The competition can't keep up with the SnapBack tip's innovative design. It literally snaps back so you don't have to walk back. Never chase your chalk line across a workspace again. Just snap the line, reel it in, and keep working. The SnapBack cuts tips in half. While the rest are trudging across the workspace, you'll be finishing your project.
The DEWALT FlexVolt 60-volt max handheld blower has a powerful and efficient brushless motor that delivers gas performance to clear job site debris at up to 423 cubic feet per minute and 129 miles per hour. Add power for heavy debris with the flat concentrator nozzle, increasing airspeed up to 175 miles per hour. DEWALT FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20-volt max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20-volt max tools. With no gas fumes when in use, the handheld blower is ideal for not only outdoor use, but also for indoor job site applications.
The Hilti GX-IE gas-actuated fastening tool is designed to install rigid board insulation to concrete base materials using the Hilti XIE sheet insulation fasteners. The GX-IE system improves productivity and helps create reliable fastening connections for insulation applications. The tool is powered by a gas canister and Hilti 12-volt battery. The tool is designed to install up to 800 fasteners per canister and up to 5,000 fasteners on a fully charged battery. Gas and battery level indicators on the tool help you make sure there's enough power to avoid downtime before starting a job.
Everything else has come out cordless, and wondered why nobody had made a cordless chop saw.
For us, it's been great. Having 20 years experience with the gas power saw, I'm really impressed.
You know, you can just go grab any of the FlexVolt batteries, especially when, you know, production's pushing, you need it right now. Toss it in there and you're good to go.
It's not too heavy. It's special for primer on top of the walls.
Oh yeah, the weight of the saw is great.
It weighs about half your average gas-weighted saw.
You can work with it 2-3 floors. You don't have to hit it with a crane. That's one of my favorite tools. Well, we use it on rebar. We can cut up to number 11. Also, we use it on concrete.
For me, it's working good. It's strong.
It's light, fast, takes a hard beating. Nice saw.
It's really made a place for itself on our job site.
DEWALT.